This slide is about how astrology is different from astronomy. Astrology is not a science. Before I get to astrology, though, I want to point out the 7 warning signs of a bogus or fake science. If you see several of these signs in some supposedly scientific claim, then it could be bogus. I have a link to the original article. Click on Bogus Science. The first 2 warning signs are about bypassing the peer review process. Number 1, pitching the claim directly to the media, which includes posting things on YouTube, Vimeo, or your favorite social media site. And number 2, claiming there's a conspiracy. Sign number 3 is about whether or not the result is real and reproducible. Sign number 4 is about the quality of the evidence. Eyewitness anecdotes are subjective, and plenty of psychology research has shown that humans will believe what they want to believe, regardless of objective facts. Sign number 5 is about the appeal to ancient forgotten knowledge. Sign number 6 is about the lone genius. And sign number 7 is about appealing to new laws of nature. Back to the lecture slide. The table contrasts real science in the left column with the bogus science warning sign in the right column. I do the same sort of contrast between astronomy and astrology. In astrology, what you want to believe ultimately is the sole judge of truth. But in astronomy, experiments are the sole judge of truth. Astrology is subjective and relies on the creative power of human wishful thinking to fill in the gaps, while astronomy is guided by objective facts. Astrology uses mystical forces that cannot be measured, while astronomy sticks with the known physical forces that can be measured. While both astronomy and astrology make predictions, the difference is in the quality of the predictions and whether they can be tested. As a science, astronomy makes predictions that can be tested. The predictions of astrology, however, are reinterpreted to fit the data, which means they are never proven wrong. Testable predictions cannot be made because if someone is already convinced of the validity of the horoscope or astrologer's prediction, they will use their natural creativity to fill in the gaps and to make sense of contradictions, to reinterpret the prediction to fit what happened. As an example of this, consider reading your horoscope. It is in the entertainment section of our local newspaper in the morning. It tells you you're going to have a bad day. The stars are not aligned for you today, so watch out. You drive to work or school, and when your light turns green, someone in the cross traffic runs through their red light. The horoscope is coming true. You continue on, and someone very rudely cuts right in front of you. You think your horoscope was right on, despite the fact that in Bakersfield, in California, people are always running red lights, and people are always cutting off others. Don't think that other driver was giving you a friendly salute. You concentrate on the bad things during that day. Now, consider reading your horoscope another morning, and it says something like, "Congratulations, this is your day. The stars are aligned for you today." You drive to work and someone runs that red light. But no problem, that's not unusual. Someone else cuts right in front of you. But no problem, that was just one person. All the rest of the people were so courteous today. Yes, your horoscope is correct. You concentrate on the good things during that day. Now, more rigorous tests of astrology are given in the Astronomy Notes textbook.